Search and return index of matching substring with pandas. I want to extend the question asked here. The solutions in the above question return true or false, and the Boolean values can be used to subset the right values. However, I want to get the search value that matched a substring. For example, borrowing from the above question, I want to know that cat matched with at and dog matched with og.
Ick, you want the values to reflect the index of the item in the search for list that matched your word. You can start by modifying your search for object. This is a dictionary of pattern column index mappings. Now, call pd.series.replace with regex equals true. If you want a list of matched values by pattern, you'll need str.extract plus groupie plus apply.
This is by using defaulted plus replace. Finally, I made it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.